Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a Swift Challenger X 850 2021 model. So here is a good look at that particular caravan. A fantastically well-spec'd twin-axle 8-foot wide caravan with a rear island bed, centre bathroom and a wonderfully spacious L-shaped front lounge. You have a generous sized front locker box in that carbon fibre finish. And coming down the side here, we've got the Challenger X logo and the decal going all the way down the side of the caravan. You've got an exterior access hatch to underneath the front couches, an exterior barbecue point, and also an exterior 240 volt socket. Rear window giving you further light into that rear bedroom area. And also one of the other great benefits is the two-lay bike rack fixings that you see on the back of the caravan here, should that be a need or a consideration for you. So stepping inside the caravan, the first thing that you get a great feel for in this caravan is a fantastic amount and an abundance of space. So a large kitchen work surface with work surface extension, high quality of finish with a stainless steel sink, benefiting from 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric in a combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath. Further storage located under the sink and also above with an easy usable height microwave. New two-tone wood locker effect finish on the locker doors, and this is new for 2021. The panoramic sunroof at the front coupled with a medium-sized Hecky light, giving a fantastic feeling of space. And then a good look at the Challenger fabric scheme that you see here. A high quality of finish on the fabric scheme and a very durable choice made by Swift. In this particular model, you've got a stringer panel on the side there that you could pop a TV either onto the stringer panel or on the side and drop through to the TV area. And you've also got LED lights running around there and mood lighting dotted throughout. And a good look at the rest of that two-tone lockers. The Swift Command system with built-in mobile capability, so downloading the Swift Command app to control your caravan at a distance or via Bluetooth. Built-in digital DAB radio with an auxiliary jack point located in this cupboard should you want to plug in and play your own music. Benefiting from the Alder wet central heating system. You've got a small cupboard just dotted on the right hand side there for you, and a wonderfully tall slimline fridge freezer with storage both above and below. Tucked away in this cupboard here is your freestanding table with also further shelves located above as we step through to a very spacious central bathroom area. Large vanity mirror with storage underneath. Your Thetford toilet positioned just next to the sink with a storage cupboard underneath and also above, and a further small vanity mirror. Also benefiting from a generous sized individual shower cubicle, so the curved shower cubicle here. Your Alder heater with towel rail, and then a very generous sized rear island bed. Cupboards dotted on either side of the bed, and also those two-tone wardrobe and matching headboard that you see there, with a further television point located here should that be a need or a consideration for you. Also a generous amount of storage located underneath here, so you can see your spare wheel located there, your full set of carpets, and also an additional bolster for the bed should you need it. So a fantastically well-spec'd twin-axle caravan with a great popular layout. If you've got any queries or questions about this particular model, please feel free to contact us. If you'd like us to take you on a live one-to-one walk-around tour, our sales team are ready to do that whenever you need. But any queries or questions, we look forward to hearing from you and hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.